Do people still have posters, by the way? I don't really know. But then Miles Bridges is the king of dunk YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Top Shot, whatever.
Did Stephen A really just mention Top Shot on the low and play it off like whatever? Okay, Stephen A, I see you. We just need Omar to sound off about NBA Top Shot.
And I would go and I would look at all of the highlights from LeBron and D-Wade, and I would get depressed. So I try to look back at more moments, and it really bummed me out that there were moments that me and my friends would always talk about, and they weren't on YouTube, they weren't on ESPN, they weren't anywhere. So I said to myself, there's gotta be a spot where all the things that me and my friends talk about in our living room, where we can find these videos.
All right, let's jump into this. If you are new to NBA Top Shot, welcome. This video is for you if you are wondering if the challenges are worth it. Now, aside from the reward, what are the current perks to completing challenges? Tap that thumbs up and let's send it. What is up, Money Tribe? Mike Damazo here to help you make sense of dollars. Our mission is to help you get out of debt and build wealth. So if you're new here, welcome, and definitely check out some of my other videos covering NBA Top Shot or any personal finance related ones, because it's usually just for military personal finance content, but NBA Top Shot is something I've been enjoying and I do want to create more content on. Now, rewards explained. So NBA Top Shot challenges is a great way to build your collection while also coming up with receiving a reward at the end. Basically, in order to get to that challenge reward, there will be a select number of moments that has to be in your collection before the time expires. An example of that would be the gift challenge, where you need to own the following: D'Angelo Russell, Jimmy Butler, Rui Hachimura, CJ McCollum, and Donovan Mitchell. Now, at the end of the challenge, if you have all those moments mentioned, you would be rewarded a Derrick Rose moment. Now, the thing to keep in mind is that there are only 8,888 moments of the gift challenge, but a total of 3,484 completed that challenge. So the current challenges now. Right now, as of this recording, there are 3 challenges. There's the Hollow Icon Challenge at the total of $32,000 as of this recording, with only 19 collectors having completed it already before the time runs out. The next one is MGLE 24 Metallic Gold Limited Edition Challenge, coming in at about $5,000 to complete the challenge, and there's only 201 that's already, completed the challenge before the time expires. Now, for the longest ongoing common challenge is the Cool Cash Challenge 5, with it being the lowest cost to complete the challenge at $225 and a total of about 4,091 collectors that will, complete the reward. Question now is, are challenges worth it? Well, that is completely up to you. The main reason for challenges is for Top Shot to recognize true collectors that want to add to their collections. Now, say you want to flip moments, and being early in the challenge and buying the required moments without wanting to complete the challenge is a way to secure the bag. Now, that is not guaranteed because it depends on the price you set it at. And right now it feels like at this time, it's like a race to the bottom in order to sell with the lowest ask. There's also the future projection of potential utility in completing challenges. So how do you save money and come up on the challenges? Well, 2 entry points to consider. First is being quick to jump on the challenge, that is, its initial announcement, and buying the floor. Filter it by lowest ask descending. The reason being is you're able to grab a couple early and list it, 25% above the lowest ask. Second time to buy isn't completing the challenge, but more purchasing the required moments after the challenge is complete. The reason being is there has been a huge drop in price after the completion of challenges. So why not swipe up those moments you want and also the reward, especially if it's a player you want to add to your collection. For me, with finishing the gifting challenge, it was because Derrick Rose was a Bulls player and I want to focus on getting Bulls players for my moments and then specific players to add to the collection. Most of the challenges are for the collectors. Now, don't get caught up with the market being down because you are looking at it every day or every week or every 4 hours. Look at the market in quarters, or better yet, compare it to what it will be from a year from now. Challenges aren't the best way to make your profit. Yes, on capturing quick flips because you are actively in the market and you can capture that movement. So the required moments also drop quick, faster than a Steph Curry catch and shoot 3. This is where timing the market works out with investing. Let me flip the script and ask you, have you completed an NBA Top Shot challenge? What do you think of challenges? Let me know and leave a comment below. My suggestion with NBA Top Shot moments, be it you have $100, $500, or up to $1,000 to spend, is to buy moments you want to keep regardless of the current market value. Thank you for watching. Gently tap that like button because it helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment below with your Top Shot username, and a random subscriber comment will receive a LeBron moment. Subscribe if you haven't already, where we cover videos about financial independence, the blockchain, and everything in between. Stay legendary, and I'll see you in the next video.